Growing up in Russia, I learned to speak Russian literally from scratch. Can you also learn in the same way, but as an adult? Today, with the help of one of my kids' drawings, I will reveal 4 secret ways children learn Russian that are guaranteed to work for you too. From an early age, our minds are wired to remember stories, which helps us acquire language. Likewise, simple illustrated stories, like children's books, are very helpful for beginner language learners. So your first secret is also very simple. It's repetition. Focus on 2 or 3 main objects throughout the story and repeat them until you can remember them without any prompts. Повторение – мать учения. Repetition is the mother of learning. How do the children do it? Let's have a look. Here you can see a girl, девочка. She is holding ice cream, мороженое. Next you see the same девочка, but here comes a bird, птица. Девочка was not expecting птица to show up, so she accidentally drops мороженое. You may not have noticed, but you already learned the words девочка, мороженое и птица. Ready to level up, children? I mean achievers. Secret number 2. Descriptive words. Once you know what the main objects in the story are called, you can add another dimension by describing them. How can we describe девочка? Веселая девочка. A cheerful girl. What about птица? A blue bird is синяя птица. And on this page, девочка is no longer веселая. She is sad, грустная. What about мороженое? Whatever is left of it is розовое, pink. We can see that ice cream is melting on a hot day. Жаркий день. Today we are not talking about adjective endings, but they are all different, depending on gender. If you want to learn more about adjective declension, check out the video I linked in the description. And if you like this video so far, I'd appreciate you giving it a like so that more Russian language learners see it on YouTube. Thank you, and let's keep going. Secret number 3. Action words. The main objects you just described are doing something. And by saying that, you'll end up with simple sentences. Веселая девочка держит мороженое. A cheerful girl is holding an ice cream. Синяя птица летит. The blue bird is flying. Девочка роняет розовое мороженое. The girl drops the pink ice cream. Розовое мороженое падает. The pink ice cream falls. Грустная девочка плачет. The sad girl is crying. But that's only part of the story. What do you think happens to the girl next? I'll reveal it in a moment. But first, I want you to write your ending in the comments or on a piece of paper. And no skipping ahead. It's important for you to use your imagination and create an emotional connection to the story. Write in Russian if you can, but any other language, not necessarily English, is fine. All done? I'll be revealing what happens to the girl momentarily. So what happens next is your secret number 4. Emotional connection. As you can see, a kind friend, добрый друг, shows up and gives another мороженое to девочка. We don't see it, but синяя птица gets to finish мороженое that fell. Let's use descriptive and action words to talk about what happened and how it made the girl feel. Добрый друг предлагает мороженое. Счастливая девочка берет мороженое. Kind friend offers ice cream. Happy girl takes the ice cream. There is a powerful saying both in English and in Russian to describe this moment of happiness-producing kindness. A friend in need is a friend indeed. Друг познается в беде. The saying literally means a friend becomes known in disaster. My friends, we are living through a disaster right now. And I appreciate every one of you for being here and for continuing to learn Russian, despite some truly dreadful actions by some Russians. I talked about that in the video about adjectives beautiful and terrible. Watch it next, and I will see you there, achievers.